Here are 22 of the best foods that help you burn fat. Foods that burn fat. Care must be taken to get rid of excess fat to maintain general health and avoid diseases, and fat is eliminated by following a healthy lifestyle and exercise, and certainly a healthy diet, and in the following, we remind you of the best foods that burn fat and include 1. Yogurt. When we think about the best foods that burn fat, yogurt comes to the fore, and the most important thing that makes Greek yogurt a delicious way to lose weight is the protein it contains, as it stays longer in the stomach, so we don't feel hungry quickly, and the body burns more calories to digest fat, which helps reduce weight and maintain a slim body. 2. Quinoa grains. If you want to reduce your weight, quinoa is essential in your plan. It contains 8 grams of protein and 5 grams of fiber in each serving. In addition to being easy to prepare like rice, it also contains many nutrients such as zinc, iron and vitamin E. Pleasant taste can be mixed with vegetables. 3. Cinnamon. Studies indicate that cinnamon has a potential effect in regulating the level of sugar in the blood, and this would reduce the appetite for food, especially for diabetics. So you can add a little cinnamon to your tea, coffee, or even yogurt to make it taste sweeter without adding more calories. 4. Hot pepper. Hot peppers contain a tasteless ingredient called capsaicin, which is found in abundance in jalapeno peppers. Red peppers reduce your appetite and increase metabolism, making it easier to lose excess weight. 5. Green tea. Studies indicate that green tea helps in losing weight by increasing the burning of fat in the abdomen, as it contains catechins that facilitate fat burning. You eat more calories. 6. Grapefruit. Although grapefruit does not contain any medicinal substances that aid in weight loss, experts point out that it makes you feel full, which reduces your calorie intake due to the presence of large amounts of fiber, which takes a longer time to digest. Therefore, experts advise eating half a grapefruit or a glass of grapefruit juice before eating, which will make you feel full and eat fewer calories. 7. Watermelon. Foods that contain large amounts of water take up a lot of space in the stomach, which makes you eat less than other foods. One of these foods is watermelon, which is a rich source of antioxidants, vitamin A and vitamin C, which is full of water and contains fewer calories. 8. Apples and pears. Apples and pears are fat-burning foods, both of which contain large amounts of water and fiber that help fill the abdomen, which takes longer to complete the digestion process, but it is preferable to eat them whole and not juice. 9. Grapes and raisins. Both contain 100 calories, but grapes are characterized by the fact that they contain large amounts of water, which makes you feel full, while raisins have an appetizing texture and attractive taste. 10. Raspberry. Berries, like other fruits, contain large amounts of water and fiber, in addition to their sweet taste, which makes you dispense with sweets, and it is easy to obtain and contains antioxidants. 11. Fresh vegetables. Raw vegetables are a light meal, but they satisfy your desire for food because they contain large amounts of water, which makes you feel full, but they have fewer calories, as half a plate of celery cubes contains only 8 calories. Celery can also be covered with peanut butter or grated carrots in the sauce. Try replacing chips with raw vegetables because they are very useful. 12. Potatoes. Potatoes are a great alternative to baked potatoes with cream, butter, and cheese sauce because they have a beautiful and delicious taste in addition to containing very few calories with potassium, vitamin C, and fiber. 13. Eggs. Studies show that eating protein in the morning makes you feel full for a long time. Eating 1 egg contains 75 calories and 7 grams of protein in addition to the rest of the nutrients. Experts suggest that your body will consume more calories digesting eggs than any other hearty breakfast, but you should consult your doctor about how many eggs you can eat if you have high cholesterol levels. 14. Coffee. Coffee helps to lose weight by increasing the metabolism of the body, but the effect of coffee is somewhat small and completely fades with the mocha-flavored cappuccino. 15. Oats. Oats have three advantages: they contain large amounts of fiber, a large amount of water, and they are hot in taste, all of which makes oats an ideal food because spicy foods make you take longer to eat, which makes you feel full, and water and fiber make you feel full for a long time, but it is preferable not to buy oats sweet, but eat it with cinnamon or coconut because both contain fewer calories and taste sweet. 16. Salad. Salad is characterized by containing a lot of fiber and protein, in addition to low amounts of fat and calories, and this helps you feel full, but with fewer calories, in addition to the fact that the tabbouleh has a special taste, so you do not need to add oils, and you can consider it a complete meal if you add tomatoes, legumes, cucumbers, and parsley. 17. Soup. Soup is characterized by containing large amounts of water, which helps with satiety, but with fewer calories in addition to being hot, and this makes you eat it slowly, so it is preferable to eat soup before food to reduce what you eat from the rest of the food, or you can consider soup as the main meal provided that you add chicken pieces and vegetables to it. 18. Green power. You can eat a plate of green salad before eating until you feel full, so do not eat too much. This is because the salad dish contains lettuce, which contains large amounts of water. You can add any vegetables to the salad, but be careful not to add the sauce because it may increase the calories in it. 19. Vinegar. You can add vinegar or oil to the green salad in order to burn larger amounts of fat, and it also has a special taste that makes you maybe satisfied with the green salad and not eat much. 20. Pistachio. Pistachios are a good way to fill your hunger between meals, as they contain protein, fiber, and heart-healthy fats. Studies show that eating pistachios in reasonable quantities helps reduce weight and improve cholesterol levels, but watch out for the amount you eat. 21. Fish. Fish is the most important source of protein and one of the best fat-burning foods. Studies show that it is more saturated than chicken and meat because it contains a certain type of protein in addition to containing small amounts of fat, except for omega-3, which is found in salmon and helps prevent heart disease. 22. Legumes. Legumes are a great mix of vegetables, protein, and fiber, which means you will feel full for a long time, but with very few calories, in addition to being easy to prepare and eat. A can of legumes contains 12 grams of fiber, only 4 grams of fat, and about 15 grams of protein.